Hi, the fifth and final job of a silent E at the end of a word has actually three different patterns. One of them is that some words used to be pronounced. They used to pronounce the E at the end. Another pattern is that some words end with an S and we don't want it to look like a plural S where it means more than one. So, for example, if that E wasn't there, sometimes people would see this word and they think it would mean more than one moo, and it's not. It's a moose. Or more than one compromise, and it's not. So we want to make sure that we add a silent E to some words just so that they don't look like a plural. The third and final pattern is that some words have an E at the end of them just to distinguish them from another word. Two-letter spellings are often function words. They have a function in our language, but they can get dropped when we are speaking them quickly in a sentence. But content words, words that we can actually often see or touch, they have to be three or more letters. So we often add a letter. So that is why there is an E in some words. And that's why sometimes we have doubled letters when it just seems silly because it's the same spelling. Although for this two, that's actually the best spelling for two, the sounds you hear. Anyways, that's some of the reasons in our English language why we have an E at the end of some words.